Dreaming of seamless money transfers across the Atlantic, but found yourself scratching your head about Cash App in Europe? If you're in Europe and looking to use Cash App, it's important to know upfront Cash App is primarily designed for users within the United States and the UK. This means direct registration and full functionality in most other European countries is not supported. Attempting to sign up or use Cash App from a country outside its supported regions will likely result in error messages, blocking your ability to send or receive money. So, what does this mean for cross-border transactions? You can't directly send money from your Cash App account in, say, Germany to a friend in France, or receive funds from someone in Spain into your Cash App. The app's regional restrictions prevent these direct peer-to-peer transactions between unsupported locations. But don't despair. For European users needing to send or receive money internationally, there are excellent alternatives. Consider services like Wise, PayPal, Revolut, or Western Union. These platforms are specifically built for global transactions and typically offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees for international transfers. You can link them to your European bank accounts for smooth transfers into or out of the continent. Navigating international payments requires choosing the right tool for the job, while Cash App excels for US and UK users. For Europe, exploring these established international money transfer solutions will be your best bet for secure and efficient transactions across borders.